Welcome to our exploration of nature's medicine cabinet. Today we're diving deep into 10 remarkable foods that have the power to heal and restore your body naturally. In a world filled with processed options and quick fixes, these whole foods stand out for their ability to support your body's innate healing mechanisms. The journey to better health often begins right in your kitchen, with choices that nourish you at a cellular level. Number 1. Turmeric. The golden spice that's captivated both traditional medicine practitioners and modern researchers alike, turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin. This remarkable substance works to reduce inflammation throughout your body, the root cause of many chronic diseases. When inflammation becomes chronic, it can damage tissues and accelerate aging. Turmeric helps counteract this process, supporting your joints, brain function, and even heart health. To enhance absorption, always pair turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine that increases curcumin bioavailability by up to 2,000%. A daily golden milk or a pinch in your cooking can be transformative for your health over time. Number 2. Bone broth. This ancient healing food has made a well-deserved comeback in recent years. Slowly simmered bones release collagen, glutamine, proline, and glycine, amino acids that support gut healing, reduce joint pain, and strengthen your skin, hair, and nails. The gelatin in bone broth helps seal the gut lining, addressing a common root cause of autoimmune conditions and food sensitivities. Rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, bone broth provides building blocks for bone health and cellular function. Consider replacing your morning coffee with a warm mug of bone broth and watch how your digestion and energy transform. Number 3. Fermented foods. Kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and kombucha aren't just culinary trends. They're time-tested healing foods, packed with probiotics that restore your gut microbiome. These beneficial bacteria support proper digestion, enhance immune function, and even influence mental health through the gut-brain connection. Fermented foods also increase the bioavailability of nutrients in other foods you eat and produce short-chain fatty acids that nourish your colon cells. Adding just a tablespoon of sauerkraut with meals or enjoying a small glass of kefir daily can dramatically improve your digestive health and, by extension, your overall well-being. Number 4. Wild-caught salmon. Not all proteins are created equal. Wild-caught salmon delivers high-quality protein alongside omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, which reduce inflammation and support brain and heart health. These essential fats are integral to cell membrane health, hormone production, and neurotransmitter function. The astaxanthin in salmon gives it its pink color and provides powerful antioxidant protection for your cells. Just 2 servings of fatty fish weekly can lower inflammatory markers, improve cognitive function, and support healthy aging. Choose wild-caught varieties whenever possible to avoid contaminants and maximize nutritional benefits. Number 5. Blueberries. These small but mighty berries contain more antioxidants than almost any other commonly consumed fruit. Their deep blue color comes from anthocyanins, compounds that neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in your body. Research shows regular blueberry consumption supports memory, improves insulin sensitivity, and promotes heart health. Their low glycemic impact makes them suitable even for those watching their blood sugar, while their fiber content supports digestive health and satiety. A daily handful of these berries can provide lasting protection against cellular damage and cognitive decline. Number 6. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and other dark leafy greens are nutritional powerhouses that support whole body restoration. Rich in vitamins A, C, K, and folate, along with minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium, these foods provide the micronutrient foundation for cellular repair and optimal function. The chlorophyll in greens supports detoxification, helps build healthy blood, and has been shown to bind to carcinogens, limiting their absorption. The nitrates in leafy greens also support healthy blood pressure and improve exercise performance by enhancing blood flow. Aim for at least 1 cup daily, rotating different varieties to ensure a broad spectrum of nutrients. Number 7. Ginger. This warming root contains over 400 active compounds, with gingerols and shogal's being the most researched for their anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. Ginger reduces muscle pain, eases nausea, and supports healthy digestion by increasing stomach acid production and accelerating gastric emptying. Its circulatory-enhancing properties make it valuable for cold hands and feet, while its immune-modulating effects help the body fight infections naturally. Fresh ginger tea or grated ginger in meals provides both culinary delight and medicinal value, making it an easy addition to your healing food repertoire. Number 8. Garlic. Revered throughout history for its medicinal properties, garlic contains allicin and other sulfur compounds that support cardiovascular health, help fight infections, and may even reduce cancer risk. It acts as a natural antibiotic while supporting beneficial gut bacteria, a rare combination. To maximize garlic's healing potential, crush it and allow it to sit for 10 minutes before cooking, which activates its most beneficial enzymes. Adding raw garlic to dressings or incorporating it into meals near the end of cooking preserves more of its medicinal compounds. Just 1 or 2 cloves daily can provide significant health benefits over time. Number 9. Sweet potatoes. These vibrant tubers offer complex carbohydrates that fuel your body without spiking blood sugar like refined alternatives. Their rich orange color indicates high beta-carotene content, which supports immune function, vision, and skin health. Sweet potatoes also provide significant fiber, particularly when eaten with the skin, supporting gut health and a diverse microbiome. Their potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, while their vitamin C supports collagen production for skin healing and tissue repair. Baking, steaming, or roasting sweet potatoes preserves their nutrient content while bringing out their natural sweetness. Number 10. Extra virgin olive oil. This cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet contains polyphenols and oleocanthal that mimic the anti-inflammatory effects of ibuprofen without the side effects. Research shows olive oil consumption is associated with reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil support hormone production, cell membrane integrity, and help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins from other foods. For maximum benefit, choose cold-pressed, extra virgin varieties and use them in low-temperature cooking or as finishing oils to preserve their healing compounds. These 10 healing foods demonstrate that nature provides exactly what our bodies need to restore and maintain optimal health. The synergy between their components often delivers benefits greater than any single nutrient in isolation. By incorporating these foods regularly into your meals, you're not just eating, you're actively participating in your body's healing processes. Remember that consistency matters more than perfection. Small daily choices add up to significant health transformations over time. Which of these healing foods will you incorporate into your next meal? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health wisdom. Until next time, nourish to flourish.